Hey guys, I promised that I would make mayo this week, so the Resident Kitchen Ninja 20 dishes, sorry, it's Lolita, and I'm going to whip up some mayo right now. I used to buy store-bought mayo until I learned how easy it was to make my own, and at first, the way that I thought that I learned how to make mayo, I learned, you put the egg in and then you drizzle the oil really slowly, drizzle oil, and then like 15 minutes later you got mayo. Well, I don't have time for that. So I wondered if I could make it even faster. And so today I am going to show you how to make mayo without having to drizzle oil and drizzle oil and drizzle oil. And I promise you, you'll never go back to store-bought mayo again. I can't even take the flavor of it. And so I make my own in like 2 minutes, and it's super cheap. Like you can get, like these are all the ingredients. It's an egg and then oil, salt, mustard, apple cider vinegar, done. And literally it is so cheap, saves so much money. And you know how I am about, if you don't know, you will soon find out if you watch these videos, how I am about my money. So I wanted to figure out a way to be a little bit more frugal. It tastes better, it tastes so much fresher, it's so delicious. And so here we go. I will tell you what the ingredients are as I'm adding them, and then you can probably comment below and I will show you or give you the recipe as well if you want it. Super easy. So 1 egg. See, I'm better at, there we go. 1 egg. And then a cup of oil. I use avocado oil. I do not like processed oil, so I use avocado oil. I'm just gonna measure out a cup of avocado oil. My little measuring cup here has all the little, has cups and ounces and tablespoons and teaspoons. I love this cup. It's one of my favorites. I can't remember where I got it. So, so if you ask, I think I might have gotten it at like Bed Bath & Beyond. I have no clue. I'm always buying kitchen gadgets that look cool and then forget where I got them. So if you're asking, I'm going to guess that I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. I have no clue. I'm going to measure out a cup of oil here, and again, I like avocado oil because it is, first of all, really good, but it doesn't have any of those. It's not like a rancid seed oil. It's good for you. All right, so add a cup of oil, and then half teaspoon. I make this so often, I know it by heart. So half a teaspoon of mayo, or sorry, not mayo, dry mustard. Half a teaspoon of salt. And then whatever, I really like apple cider vinegar, but if you like balsamic, you can use balsamic too. Totally up to you. Or whatever vinegar you have on hand. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of ACV. Ooh, that was a little bit too much. Oh well. Close enough. All right, and here's what I'm going to do. Just going to plug in my little... Plug it in, and this might be a little loud, but here we go. Just going to tilt it to make sure I get all the oil. Voila. That is some lovely mayonnaise right there. It's nice and thick. I love a good thick mayo. And so that's it. It's all done. I can use this. I'll put a little piece of tape on there and put the date on it, but it usually doesn't last more than a week in my house because I make egg salad and I also make tuna. And so it doesn't last very long. Also, if you're really feeling adventurous, you can add a little melted bacon fat and make some bacon and egg salad. It is so good. So just a little tip there for you as well. This finished up. I finished that in, I don't know, a minute and a half. So I hope you enjoy this little tip. I am going to go make some tuna tonight because it's hot and I don't want to cook. And so it's Lolita signing off from 20 dishes. I hope to see you guys over. Hey, yes, I'm back. Hey, Dominique. Hey, from Oklahoma. I got family there, so hey, good to see you. Again, 20 dishes. This is a cool, easy video. Watch it, share it, and watch it again, then share it some more. And I will see you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, so I'm sure I'll figure out something, and I'll see you guys around. Maybe we'll do another meal prep in 15 minutes. If you didn't catch that one, there is one down here somewhere where we did 3 meals in 15. Is it? I will see you guys later. It looked like my phone was on crack for a second there, so I think we're back. Just in time to say bye. Bye!